Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to go over is what you see here on Claude.ai. We have the prompt screen. That's always gonna, well, that's what's mostly here. Always gonna be here is the prompt screen. And this is where you can type your prompts out. And if you hit the plus button here, there's other things you can add. So like you can add your files or photos just in case you want to show an example of something based on what you've written in your prompt. Uh, you can take a screenshot as you can see. You can go to adding projects from here. You can go to skills and you can also add connectors. You can go to add connectors from this button. Here you have this is where you can change your models. As you can see, some of the models you will have to go to the pay subscription. And then here, if you go to the side where you have if you open the sidebar, I want to go to the projects. And projects is just a thing where you can go and summarize all your same conversations in one place. Or I call them conversations, but any chats that you do. So if you're having the same type of chat over and over again, so for example, uh, let's say you do YouTube videos a lot, so you're doing the same chat or same conversation on that, then you can just set up a project where you can have all those conversations in one place. Let's say you have any type of materials, any other like videos, you can just place them and organize them under that project. So if you hit new project, then you can name your project. So in this example I gave, you can put YouTube videos. Um, and then you can give a description of this. You can put the prompt that you used all the time. All that can go right here. Uh, here and then you just create your project. Then the next thing that we have would be the artifacts. This is just something new I've learned as far as since I started with Claude. But artifacts is it's sort of like a template. So let's say you wanted to create a document. If you go there and it asks you what it is that you have in mind, you'll place it here and it will take and create that for you. As you see, there's other ones here that you can do, or you can start one from scratch. Let's go to the customize. And on the customize, as you can see, when I hit that plus button, skills and connectors came. You can go to skills and also connectors from that plus button. But if you hit customize, you can also get to skills and connectors. Skills is just one of those things that the way I've always understood it as being one of just like it's a really power. It's like a custom GPT that you use in Chat GPT, but here in Claude it is more powerful, where it's just one specific thing that you would want to do. And with the skills here, you can always add additional things to make it a very powerful skill. With connectors are those where you can connect different apps into Claude GPT for it to do certain things for you. So if we hit the plus sign here for connectors and we hit browse connectors, as you can see, you can also create you a custom connector, but we're going to browse the connectors that's already here. And as you see, there are some there are a lot of apps that you can go to. So today I want to set up and do one that's dealing with the Gmail. So what I'm going to do is hit that plus button with Gmail. And what you're going to do is choose your email address. So So when you choose your email address that you're going to use, you're just going to hit continue. And what comes up here, it tells you that you can connect your Gmail to Claude. And when you connect your Gmail to Claude, you can import emails. So you can understand, like it says, understand long conversations. It can read your emails. It can read the entire thread for you. It can create emails for you. It's just, you can even schedule emails to be set up. There's just a variety of things you can do. And here it tells you what type of permission that you want to give Claude to allow Claude to do within your Gmail. Security is very important based on what it is that you want to do. So if you wanted to read your to a read only mode where it can authenticate your Gmail account, create labels. So let's say you don't want that to happen. Right now I have it on always allow, but you can always block, or you can block here, or you can always say need approval. So before it does anything, it will have to get your approval. Also with writing and deleting, so it can write a email for you, draft an email, and it's the same thing. So right here is where you can give it the permissions to do that. Now I've already set up this before. Now if you are totally new in Claude, it may have it where you have to hit a button that says connected. Just hit that connect button so you can connect it, and you will get to this screen right here. So what I want to do is show, since we have this connected to Gmail, I want to show you what it can possibly do. So if I go back and create a new chat, and let's say I want, since we have the Gmail connected, I'm going to put in here that I want to create a, let me get my message that I have already prepared here. So let's say I want to create an email to Kim. Kim. And I want to say it's following up on the last email sent. Okay. So if I hit this, all right, and see, Claude comes back and say, I'm happy to draft this. It's going to search the last email sent to her in the Gmail. So saying it's not finding an email sent to Kim is impossible. Search isn't picking up by the first name or last name. Da, da, da. So what's going on here is that I don't. This is a new email account that I have with Gmail. So I don't have a thread that has been created. But as you can see, if I wanted to go in and create one, I could. But I just want you to see what it can possibly do, and how it's connecting to that Gmail account and seeing what's there and pulling up. Okay. So the next thing I would really want to go to is going down to, if you go down to settings, I want to look at the memory here. Memory is one of those, is the thing here in Claude where it, the things that you are typing into Claude, it keeps a memory of it. So if you go down to your name, or the initial of your name should be down here, and you go to settings, and you go to capabilities, and right here is where you can keep your memory. Now, where you can access how much memory that you would like Claude to keep. as far as in the chat history. And another thing here too, you can also import, if you wanted to import your memory from other AI providers, all you have to do is hit start import, which I'm not going to do here today, but hit start import and you'll go through the prompts on that. And it's just, you can go through here and select different things that you would like your Claude to keep memory of. Okay. So I hope that's it. We just connected the Gmail to the Claude AI. You know, the things that I went over may be very simple, but they are very powerful tools. So if you're a beginner in this and you just really want to know what Claude was about, these are the main points of Claude. As far as you can see, I'm on that free plan for right now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We went through some very powerful steps here. So let me know in the comments what tools, what AI tools that you are learning right now. And if you want more simple, beginner-friendly tutorials, just don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.